question.
What?
CA, and hook up on social media. All the experiences the United States Air Force can be and will be. In just a moment, all will be explained as we hand things over now to the United States Air Force Thunderbirds.
Do you guys see that?
United States Air Force. And now, our commander and leader, Thunderbird 1, Lieutenant Colonel Kevin Walsh. You got it, boss.
Good afternoon, Sacramento! Ladies and gentlemen, if you please rise as I administer the oath of enlistment. Raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. Do solemnly swear. To support and defend. The Constitution of the United States. Against all enemies. Foreign and domestic. That I will bear true faith. And allegiance to the same. That I will obey the orders. Of the President of the United States. And the orders. Of the officers appointed over me. According to regulations. And the Uniform Code of Military Justice. So help me God. Congratulations.
He's right over there. He's taking
Level precision on the ground that you're about to witness in the sky.